the step back. George did not go for it. Oh, what a move there by Hart.
First field goal, that was sweet. What a move. I mean, what do you do? Cross, sauce.
They, oh my goodness,
Kyrie.
what a hand.
Do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Gon' throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your head.
Over 15,181 in the building tonight. They like that, Jay.
Avery Bradley was all over him. Didn't matter.
Your give, bring it back, lay it up and in.
Night as a scorer and as a playmaker.
Push ahead to Steph. Has got to beat Babbitt. Goes around.